Hi, my name is Richard. Welcome to Sudoku School, lesson number 3, as a continuation for a Sudoku puzzle from lesson number 2. Next step will be C1/7. C1/7, it means that C is the column, 1 is rows, /7 is location. This will be this square C1. As you see, and we're looking for this is the location 7, and we're looking for number 5. And if you see, number 5 already exists in this column. Number 5 exists in this column. Number 5 exists in this column, in this row, and right now we have to look the neighbor square, and you see the number 5 exists in this row. It means that in this place square B1 can keep number 5 because already exists in this row. One available space in B1 is this area. We don't know which exactly location, but one of this location has to be 5. Means that this row is already exist 5, and one available space in C1 for number 5 is this. The next step will be B3/5. It means that B is the columns, 3 means that is the row, and 7 is the location. B3/5, it means B is this column, 3 is the row, and 5 is this location, and we are looking for number 8. Number 8 exists in this row, and number 8 exists already in this columns. Like one available space for number 8 in this square B3 is over there. B2/6 is B is column, B3 to 6. B3 is the row, and /6 is the location of there. As you see, and looking for number 8. As you see, number 8 exists already in this column over there. Like the one available space for the 8 is over there in this square B2. Next step will be A2/3. 8 is the column, 2 is the row, /3 is location. A2 is this square, and as you see in this row 8, and looking for this location, and we're looking for the number 8. Number exists in this row, and number 8 exists in this row. There's one available space in this square A2 is over there. This is location 3. Next step will be B2/5. B is columns, 2 is a row, and 5 is the location. B2 is this square, and location 5 is over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're looking for the number 1 because in this row number 1 already exists. Now the one available space in square B2 is over there. Next step will be B2/2. B columns, B2 is row 2 and location /2. As you see, square B2 is over there and one available space for number 4 is over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the location for number 4. Square B2 is over there, and as you see, B3 is over there, and we're looking for number 4 in this location. You see, these columns already have 4. This space in B1 cannot be number 4 because number 4 exists in this row. The one available space in this square B1 will be in this location. This location or this location means that these columns will be also not available for square B3. And one more time, this is already exists number 4, and these columns also number 4 will be exist. The one available space for number 4 is square B3 is over there. Next step will be B1/9. B is the column, 1 is the row, and /9 is location. This is the square B1. As you see, in this vertical line, it's only one available space, and in this available space will be number 1. Actually, B1 and location 9 will be number 1. Next step is B3/2. B is columns, 3 is the row, and /2 is location. This is the square B3, location 2 is over there, and this is for number 9, because as you see in these columns, number 9 already exists. There's one available space for 9 in this square is over there. B1 square is over there. As you see in this row, and number 2, its location number 2 is over there. As you see, this row already exists, number 5, and this location is for number 5. And in this location, number 5 exists. And in these columns, number 5 has to be somewhere in this line, in this vertical line, because, and this means that these columns also will be not available in this square for number 5. Like I said, somewhere in this bottom square B3, number 5 has to be somewhere over there, because this is only one available line, and means that this column also in this place is not available for number 5. There's one available space for number 5 in square B1. It's over there. Next step is B1 slash 5. B1 slash 5. And this is square B1 slash 5 is this location. As you see, this one available space only in this vertical line. It means that this will be location for number 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a location. This is only for number 6. And next step will be C1 slash 8. C column, 1 row, 8 is location. C1 is this square, and location is over there, and location 8, and this will be for number 7, because this and this row, you see already 7 is exist, in this row 7 is exist, in this column 7 is exist. There's one available space for number 7 in square C1. C1 is over there.